Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is what is Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is a process of creating new Bitcoin by solving extremely complicated math problems that verify transaction in the secure currency. When a Bitcoin is successfully mined, the miner receives a predetermined amount of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that gained a wide popularity due to its wild price swings and surging value since it was first created in 2009. As price of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular have skyrocketed in recent years, it's understandable that interest in mining has picked up as well. But for most people, the prospects for Bitcoin mining are not good due to its complex nature and high cost. Here are the basic on how Bitcoin mining works and some key risks to be aware of. Bitcoin statistics. A miner currency earns 6.25 Bitcoin, about 1,25,000 dollar as of September 2022 for successfully validating a new block on the Bitcoin blockchain. Creating Bitcoin consumes 94.2 terawatt hours of electricity each year, more than is used to Kazakhstan or Philippines, according to the Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index. It would take 9 years of household equivalent electricity to mine a single Bitcoin as of August 2021. The price of Bitcoin has been extremely volatile over time. In 2020, it traded as low as $4,104 and reached an all-time high of $68,790 in November 2021. As of September 2022, it traded for about $20,000. Odds of solving for a bash 1 in 22 trillion. United States 35.4%, Kazakhstan 18.1%, and Russia 11.2%. They are the largest Bitcoin miners as of August 2021, according to the Cambridge Electricity Consumption Index. What is Bitcoin? Understanding the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the most popular type of cryptocurrency which are digitally medium of exchange that exists solely online. Bitcoin run on a decentralized computer network or distributed ledger that tracks transaction in the cryptocurrency. When computer on the network verify and process transactions, new Bitcoin are created or mined. These network computer or miners process the transaction in exchange for a payment in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is powered by blockchain, which is technology that powered many cryptocurrencies. A blockchain is decentralized ledger for all the transaction across the network. Group of approved transaction together from a block and join to create a chain. Think of it as long public record that function almost like a long running receipt. Bitcoin mining is the process of adding a block to the chain. How to Bitcoin mining work? In order to successfully add a block, Bitcoin miner compete to solve extremely complex math problem that require the use of expensive computer and enormous amount of electricity. To complete the mining process, miners must be first to arrive at the correct or closest answer to the question. The process of guessing the correct number hash is known as proof of work. Miner guess the target hash by randomly making a many guesses as quickly as they can, which requires magic computing power. The difficulty only increasing as more miners join the network. Bitcoin mining reward overview. The reward of mining one block is held every 2,10,000 blocks or about every 4 years. Here is a chart of Bitcoin earned per block mined. 2009 50 earned Bitcoin blocks, 2012 25, 2016 12.5, 2020 6.25, and 2024 3.125. Is Bitcoin mining profitable? It depends. Even if Bitcoin miners are successful, it's not clear that their effort will end up being profitable due to high upfront cost of equipment and ongoing electricity costs. The electricity for an ASIC can use the same amount of electricity as half a million PlayStation 3 devices, according to a 2019 report from the Congressional Research Services. How do you start Bitcoin mining? Here are the basic you will need to start mining. Number 1, wallet. There is where any Bitcoin you earn as a result of your mining effort will be stored. A wallet is a encrypted online account that allow you to store, transfer and accept Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Companies such as Coinbase, Trezor and Exodus all offer wallet options for cryptocurrency. Next is mining software. There are a number of different providers mining softwares, many of which are free to download and can run on Windows and Mac computers. Once the software is connected to the necessary hardware, you will be able to mine Bitcoin. Next is computer equipment. The most cost prohibitive aspect of Bitcoin mining involve the hardware. You will need a powerful computer that uses an enormous amount of electricity in order to successfully mine Bitcoin. It's not uncommon for the hardware cost to run around $10,000 or more. Risk of Bitcoin mining. Price volatility. Bitcoin has varied widely since it was introduced in 2009. In just the past year, Bitcoin has traded for less than $20,000 and nearly as high as $69,000. This kind of volatility make it difficult for miners to know if their reward will outweigh the high cost of mining. Regulation. Very few governments have embraced cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, and many are more likely to view them spectacularly because the currencies operate outside government control. Bitcoin price volatility. Bitcoin has been volatility falling from 2017 high before heading higher in 2020 and 2021, but it plummeted in 2022 as interest rates began to rise. Here is a chart April 2017 to September 2022. $10,000 to $79,000. Taxes on Bitcoin mining. It's important to remember the impact that taxes can have on Bitcoin mining. The IRS has been looking to crack down on owners and traders of cryptocurrencies as the asset price have ballooned in recent years. Here are the key tax consideration to keep in mind for Bitcoin mining. Are you a businessman? Mine Bitcoin is income, capital gain. Bottom line and final is, while Bitcoin mining sounds appealing, the reality is that it's difficult and offensive to have actually to do profitably. The extreme volatility of Bitcoin prices added more uncertainty to the equations. Keep in mind that Bitcoin itself a speculative asset with no intrinsic value, which means It won't produce anything for its owner, and it's not pegged to something like gold. Your return is based on selling it to someone also for a high price, and that price may not be high through you to turn a profit. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.